Hey, want a blade that'll do more than just look cool in a pocket? If you're building a kit for survival or self-defense, these are 20 military-grade knives that actually earn their stripes. Before we jump in, hit subscribe to Trek Gear so you don't miss the rest of the list. Trust me, you'll want to see what's coming. Alright, let's slice into the good stuff. Light, surgical, and ridiculously smooth. The Benchmade 940 Osborne is the sort of folding knife that turns everyday tasks into confidence. Imagine gutting a tangled rope after a wrong turn on a trail, then flipping it closed and stashing it in your pocket without fuss. That's the 940. It's an EDC hero, slim, low profile, with superb steel and a lock that feels like a vault. For survival and outdoor gear fans who want a fast, discreet tool that's also comfortable for finer work, this one's a classic. The Sebenza 31 is the blade people whisper about around campfires, not flashy, but utterly dependable. Think precision engineering in your hand, tight tolerances, refined action, and a finish that ages into character. In a survival scenario where you're making feather sticks for fire or carefully carving a shelter peg, that precision matters. It's an investment knife for the person who prefers one tool done excellently over many decent ones. Solid ergonomics, premium steel, and a reputation for lasting decades make the Sebenza a go-to for serious outdoor minimalists. If rugged equals reliable, the cold steel AK-47 field knife wears the badge. Heavy, full-tang construction and a blade geometry built for chopping, prying, and utility work make this feel like a field surgeon's partner and a survivalist's hammer in one. Picture clearing a trail, splitting small limbs for shelter, or using the pommel to break a stubborn knot. This knife doesn't shy away from punishment. It's not the lightest option, but its brutal practicality and thick, durable blade mean it earns its place in hard use kits and tactical setups. If you like these first three, drop a comment naming your favorite and keep the subscribe button warm. The Medford USMC fighter looks like it was forged for the back of a Humvee. This fixed blade is built around pure strength thick stock, aggressive handle geometry, and a tip that won't fail when you need to pierce or pry. In survival scenarios where you might be building shelter, chopping through fibrous material, or using the knife as a trusted pry tool, the fighter gives you serious confidence. It's not for delicate work, but when the situation calls for raw, uncompromising power, this is the blade you reach for. Sleek and fast, the Tai Pan is a modern take on a combat knife with a tapered point and an edge that slices cleanly. It balances well for both forward-thrusting tasks and controlled cuts, ideal for first response situations or self-defense when precision matters. The slim profile makes it easier to carry and deploy quickly, and the steel holds an edge that's practical in the field. If you want a knife that moves like an extension of your hand and still stands up to hard use, the Tai Pan is an elegant, lethal option. The ESEE 4 is a survivalist's Swiss Army in a single blade, mid-sized, full-tang, and designed for everything from firecraft to food prep. Its simple, no-nonsense design means fewer failure points and easier maintenance, vital when you're days into a trip and the nearest bench is miles away. The blade geometry is forgiving for batoning, the handle gives a secure grip in wet conditions, and the sheath system is built for dependable carry. If you want one blade that truly covers the majority of tasks you'll face outdoors, the EC4 is the hard-working backbone of many survival kits. This one's the hulking, go-to workhorse for people who want a fixed blade that laughs at abuse. Thick, full-tang construction, a wide blade for heavy chopping and prying, and a grippy handle that stays planted even when your hands are wet or cold. The Adamas shine when you need brute force batoning, chopping, kindling, or forcing an entry, but it still keeps a usable edge for finer tasks. If you want a survival blade that doubles as a dependable defensive tool, the Adamas is brutally effective. Small, neck-friendly, and mean in a fight, the Kobun is built around speed and penetration. It's a compact, fixed blade with a sharply contoured point and a design that favors quick deployment and aggressive forward cuts. For self-defense situations where concealability and immediate control matter, the Kobun is a hard-hitting option. It's not your camp kitchen knife, but when the scenario is close quarters and you need instant, decisive performance, this little knife brings it. The Liberator channels trench knife practicality with modern materials. Think knuckle guard, heavy-duty blade, and combat-first ergonomics. It's crafted for maximum stopping power in close encounters. In survival contexts, it's also a decent improvised tool for hammering or breaking glass when needed, though its primary design is combat utility. If your kit needs a psychologically and physically assertive piece for worst-case scenarios, the Liberator fills that role. Fast, compact, and built for instant deployment, the Tekto A2 Badger is an automatic folder that gives you one-handed speed when seconds count. Its slim profile and aggressive flipper automatic action make quick access effortless, great for urban carry or a tactical kit where deployment speed matters. The ergonomics favor control in rapid exchanges, and the blade steel and lockup are tuned for reliable performance under stress. If you want a blade that gets out of the way of you doing the job fast, steady, repeatable, this one's a serious contender. The Mini Eagle brings top signature hard use mentality into a compact fixed blade. It's designed for aggressive fieldwork stout blade geometry, a comfortable textured handle for secure grips in wet conditions, and a sheath that locks it into place for confident carry. Think bushcraft meets military practicality. It excels at batoning small wood, rough prep work, and anything that demands durability without excess weight. For users who want a tough little fixed blade that's easy to carry and won't quit on you, the Mini Eagle is a smart pick. Slick, premium, and engineered to the last micron, the ZT0452CF is a high-end folder that blends speed with precision. Carbon fiber scales keep weight down while giving a refined look. The blade geometry slices cleanly, and the action is buttery thanks to top-tier bearings and tolerances. It's a superb EDC for someone who expects cutting performance plus refined build quality. Whether you're prepping cordage, slicing food, or standing watch, this folder handles the fine work with the same confidence it brings to tougher tasks. Built with purpose, the Seal XR is a modern tactical folder inspired by military utility. It uses premium S35WN steel for edge retention, an ambidextrous deployment lock setup for fast one-handed use, and a grippy handle that stays secure in wet or gloved hands. Great for shipboard, urban, or field environments where corrosion resistance and dependable locking are non-negotiable. If you want to go anywhere folder that won't let you down under stress, this is a top pick. A no-nonsense fixed blade designed for work and rescue, the StrongArm is full tang, ergonomically shaped, and paired with a versatile sheath system that mounts just about anywhere. It's optimized for durability and utility: pry, dig, chop, or perform controlled rescue cuts, and the handle profile gives surprisingly precise control for finer tasks. If your kit must handle both rescue tactical jobs and honest survival chores, the StrongArm is a practical, affordable workhorse. The Blur is a crowd-pleasing EDC folder that balances everyday practicality with tactical readiness: speed-assisted opening, a reliable liner lock, and comfortable textured handles for secure grip. It's light enough for daily carry, but rugged enough to handle campsite chores or quick defensive deployment. For someone who wants a single folder that performs during daily tasks and steps up when things get harder, the Blur is a classic go-to. A Karambit-style design optimized for aggressive retention and close quarters control. The Gambit's curved blade and finger ring give excellent retention during dynamic movement, making it popular for self-defense and tactical carry. It's compact, concealable, and excellent for cutting cordage or seatbelts in emergencies, but its curved blade isn't ideal for chopping or food prep. Best as a backup defensive tool or part of an urban survival kit. Low-profile, utilitarian, and built for straightforward use, the Thunderstrike is a solid, budget-friendly fixed blade that punches above its price. It's simple, full-tang construction with a comfortable handle, good for general field tasks like cutting, light batoning, and utility work. The sheath is functional for secure carry. If you want a dependable fixed blade that won't break the bank but will get the job done, this one's a practical choice. Tiny but mighty, the Dune is a full-tang neck knife designed for lightweight carry and quick access. Its stout blade is well suited to small utility cuts, cord management, and last resort defensive use. The minimal footprint makes it easy to keep on your person at all times, around the neck or on a lanyard, which is perfect for hikers, climbers, or anyone who wants a nearly weightless fallback blade. Not for heavy tasks, but excellent as an always-on backup. A rugged, budget-friendly Karambit-style neck knife with an aggressive curved blade and full-tang construction. The SCH11 is built for retention and rapid access as a backup defensive tool. It's compact enough to wear around the neck, but large enough to give real cutting power in close quarters. Great for emergency seatbelt rope cuts or as a last resort defensive piece. Not ideal for chopping or camp food prep, but perfect for quick access cutting tasks. Designed by T.B.O.S., the Express is a slim, tactical, fixed blade purpose built for combat and survival. Light lightweight for a fixed blade, it balances cutting performance with controllable ergonomics, useful for fast deployment, slashing, and utility tasks where speed and edge geometry matter. It's a favorite among users who want a dedicated tactical defensive fixed blade that still performs in field tasks. A strong finish to the list, compact, tactical, and built to be brought into serious situations. That's our roundup of the 20 best military knives for survival and self-defense. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Trek Gear for more epic survival gear breakdowns. Stay sharp, stay ready, and I'll catch you in the next one.